Depression is not caused by a chemical imbalance. A new research article has recently been making the rounds and seems to be surprising a lot of people. It's a meta-analysis showing that there's really no evidence to suggest that depression is caused by this chemical imbalance. I'll put the DOI in the comments in case you want to read it for yourself. There are a couple things about this article that really surprised me. And one is that a lot of people are shocked by this finding. But this new article is not new research. This is just looking at all the research that's already been done. This article didn't disprove something. It showed that it's already been disproven. And the second thing that surprised me is this article mentions that 80% or more of the general population thinks that depression is caused by a chemical imbalance. And many healthcare providers also believe this, despite there being no evidence to suggest that this is the case. So what do we do with this information? Well, first, if you're taking antidepressant medications and you're under the impression that you're curing this chemical imbalance and it's working, then keep doing it. You're not alone. Antidepressants help a lot of people, but it doesn't help for the reasons that you probably think it helps. It's also worth noting that antidepressants sometimes makes things much worse. And this is also not a secret. It's a black box warning on these medications. But if you're suffering from depression and you're interested in antidepressant medications, go down that route. But I don't want you to think that this is a cure and that you're solving the problem. Depression is so much more complicated than that, and taking a simple medication unfortunately just doesn't fix it. I'm not against antidepressants. I'm not against anything that can help you with your depression. But I don't want you to stop there. I want you to continue investigating what might be causing your depression. I have other videos which talk about that, and I'm sure I'll make more. But make sure you work with your doctor to figure out what the best treatment plan is for you and your situation.